Control panel. You can control the system functions from your control panel. The touch panel is the central control element for doing this. It can be upgraded with an optional keypad. The control panel comprises the following: touch panel and LED displays. The power key on the touch panel can be used to enable and disable power saving mode. The warning indicator signals when action needs to be taken. If the warning indicator is flashing orange, this means that there is a system fault. If the warning indicator is continuously lit orange, this means that the system has stopped. In this case, check each of the messages on the touch panel. The data indicator shows the data reception status. Data is being saved.